Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of patchy trims, dull blades, or beard trimmers that just don't perform, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best beard trimmers you can buy right now in the US. All recently released and fully built for 2025 grooming needs. Whether you're after ultra-precise lines, all-in-one grooming versatility, or a powerful clipper that tackles thick beards with zero effort, this list has a perfect match for your style and budget. We've tested the newest and most popular models from Philips, Braun, Panasonic, and Bevel, and ranked them from strong everyday picks to the most powerful beard trimming machine you can get right now. And of course, the most advanced and capable trimmer lands at number 1, so make sure to stick around until the end. If you like sharp, no-fluff reviews that help you buy smarter, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. Alright, let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5. Philips OneBlade 360. Kicking off the list is the Philips OneBlade 360, a lightweight and innovative hybrid trimmer designed for guys who want simplicity, speed, and solid results without the fuss of a full grooming kit. The OneBlade 360 features a unique blade that moves in both directions and flexes to follow the curves of your face, giving you more control, better visibility, and fewer missed spots. Whether you're shaping a beard, trimming stubble, or cleaning up your neckline, this tool gets it done fast and comfortably. It's not your traditional trimmer, and that's a good thing. Instead of clipper-style blades, it uses a fast-moving cutter, 200 times per second, with a protective guard to prevent skin irritation. The 360 head rotates to adapt to angles and contours, making it ideal for hard-to-reach areas like jawlines or under the chin. With a single charge, you'll get up to 60 minutes of cordless use, and the waterproof design means you can use it dry, wet, or even in the shower. The package includes multiple click-on length combs, giving you full control over your desired beard length. It's also ultra-lightweight, super quiet, and compact enough to toss in a gym bag or travel kit, a solid choice for guys on the go or anyone who prefers a low-maintenance routine. Who's it for? The OneBlade 360 is perfect for men who want a fast, skin-friendly trimmer for daily maintenance, without the bulk of traditional clippers or the hassle of switching tools. Bottom line, it's simple, effective, and surprisingly versatile. If you want a modern grooming tool that gets the job done with minimal effort, the OneBlade 360 is a great way to start this list. Number 4. Braun Beard Trimmer 7. Next on the list is the Braun Beard Trimmer 7, a refined, high-precision grooming tool built for guys who take their beards seriously. It's not just about trimming length here. This trimmer gives you detailed control, consistent power, and a clean, modern design that feels as sharp as it looks. The Beard Trimmer 7 features Braun's AutoSense technology, which adjusts motor power based on beard thickness. That means no tugging, lagging, or uneven cutting, even if your facial hair is dense, wiry, or patchy in certain areas. The result? A smoother, more consistent trim from top to bottom. What makes this model stand out is the precision dial. With 39 length settings and 0.5mm steps, you can fine-tune your trim exactly how you like it, whether you're going for a short stubble, a defined goatee, or a fuller beard with clean edges. And it comes with multiple attachments for both hair and beard grooming, giving you extra flexibility. The blades are ultra-sharp, made from high-quality stainless steel for long-term durability. They're self-sharpening, easy to rinse underwater, and designed to deliver the same clean cut every time with no oiling needed. Battery life is excellent, with up to 100 minutes of cordless use on a full charge. And with fast charging, just 5 minutes plugged in gives you enough power for a quick trim. Who's it for? Ideal for detail-oriented users who want precise control, power on demand, and a tool that adapts to different beard types. Bottom line, with advanced sensors, fine-tuned settings, and solid German engineering, the Braun Beard Trimmer 7 is a dependable all-rounder and a solid step up in performance from basic trimmers. Number 3. Bevel Beard Trimmer. Coming in at number 3 is the Bevel Beard Trimmer, a premium design-forward grooming tool built specifically for men of color, coarse hair types, and those who care about detail, skin, comfort, and modern aesthetics. If you want smooth trims with zero irritation and a product that looks as good as it performs, this is a standout pick. Bevel's trimmer is engineered with a powerful yet quiet rotary motor that glides through curly, thick, or coarse beards without pulling or snagging. The zero-gap blade design allows for ultra-close cuts, great for sharp edges, fades, and clean beard lines. And because it's dermatologist-tested and designed to reduce bumps, it's ideal for sensitive skin and prone areas like the neck and jawline. The standout here is the tool-free blade adjustment system. You can easily zero-gap or modify the trimming depth by hand, no screwdrivers, no tinkering. It's perfect for those who want to switch from trimming to lining up without changing guards or tools. Battery life is one of the best in class. Up to 8 hours of cordless use on a single charge. That's right, 8 full hours. Thanks to a high-capacity lithium-ion battery. It's also USB-C rechargeable, making it travel-friendly and future-proof. The design? Minimalist, matte black, and weighted just right for steady control. It looks like something out of a modern tech showroom, not a cheap plastic trimmer. Who's it for? Ideal for guys with thick or curly beards, sensitive skin, or anyone who wants a luxury-level trimming experience with precision and style. Bottom line, the Bevel beard trimmer blends thoughtful engineering, serious cutting power, and elegant design, making it one of the smartest grooming investments you can make right now. And if you're finding this list helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more straight-to-the-point reviews coming your way. Number 2. Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000. Landing at number 2 is the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000. An all-in-one powerhouse built for men who want complete control over every hair on their body. Whether it's your beard, hairline, nose, or chest, this trimmer does it all with surgical precision and effortless style. Let's start with what makes it elite. 21 tools in one kit. That includes multiple trimming guards, precision detailers, a foil shaver, a nose and ear trimmer, and even a body groomer. It's not just a beard trimmer, it's your entire grooming arsenal packed into one premium set. The Multigroom 9000 uses dual-cut technology, with self-sharpening stainless steel blades that stay sharp for up to 5 years. These blades cut hair with maximum efficiency while reducing skin irritation and tugging even on thicker or coarse hair. You can go from shaping your beard to detailing your neckline, and then touch up your fade, all with the same trimmer. Battery performance is top tier. You get up to 6 hours of cordless runtime on a full charge, and the high-performance lithium-ion battery recharges quickly via USB or wall plug. That means it's ready when you are, whether you're traveling or just forgot to charge last night. The entire unit is fully washable, so cleanup is quick and easy. And its premium brushed metal finish gives it the look and feel of a professional grooming tool, not some cheap plastic gadget. Who's it for? Perfect for men who want a single tool that handles it all from daily beard trims to full-body grooming with professional-level results. Bottom line, the Multigroom 9000 delivers precision, versatility, and power in one kit. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools, this one trimmer might just replace them all. And finally, my number 1 pick, Panasonic ER-GB96-K. If you're serious about grooming and want next-level control over your beard's length, shape, and precision, the Panasonic ER-GB96-K is the trimmer that truly does it all. This is Panasonic's most advanced beard trimmer yet, and it's built for men who demand pro-level results from a tool they use every single day. What sets this model apart is its ultra-wide range of length settings. With a precision dial and 4 included comb attachments, it offers an insane 58 length options from 0.5mm to 30mm. Whether you're maintaining a sharp 5 o'clock shadow or rocking a full-length beard, you can customize your look to perfection. Under the hood, the ER-GB96-K is powered by a high-torque motor that cuts smoothly through thick and dense facial hair without pulling or skipping. The stainless steel blades are ultra-sharp and engineered to cut at a 45-degree angle, perfect for crisp lines and even trimming. Comfort is another win here. The ergonomic grip and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, and it works both corded and cordless. Battery life is solid, delivering 50 minutes of runtime on a full charge, and with easy USB charging, it's always ready to go when you are. It's also fully washable, so maintenance is quick and painless. Plus, it comes with a blade oil and cleaning brush to keep everything running smooth over time. Who's it for? Guys who want serious control, longer beard styling, flexibility, and a tool that won't struggle with dense growth. Bottom line, the Panasonic ER-GB96-K is built for precision, versatility, and total beard domination. If you want pro-level grooming power in your own hands, this is the trimmer to beat. And that wraps up my countdown of the best beard trimmers you can buy right now. Whether you're cleaning up a short stubble, detailing a full beard, or trimming head to toe with a single tool, this lineup proves you don't have to overspend to get pro-level performance. From the flexible control of the OneBlade 360 to the unmatched precision of the Panasonic ER-GB96-K, there's something here for every grooming style and every budget. So which one fits your routine best? Are you after full body versatility, ultra fine length settings, or just a clean, comfortable trim every day? Let me know in the comments, I always check and reply. And hey, if this breakdown helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss another sharp, honest, and straight to the point tech review like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.